Welcome back. Now we're continuing to see stable conditions across the Caribbean this evening. Very little clouds are across the area. We have some low-level cumulus, fair weather clouds covering most of the Caribbean, including the Greater Antilles. We do have some clouds across sections of the west. We don't have any significant trough features. It is really high pressure that's dominating across most of the Caribbean. Now the forecast for tonight, generally fair skies are expected across most of the area. In the morning tomorrow, we're expecting it to be partly cloudy, especially across sections of the northeast, but we do have generally fair skies expected elsewhere across the island. For the afternoon, we do have partly cloudy conditions as well. There are some isolated showers expected mainly across sections of inland areas. However, partly cloudy conditions are persisting across most of the area. Temperatures reaching 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 30 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy skies across most of the area tomorrow. We're expecting it to be partly cloudy for most of the area. It's generally sunny across coastal areas, particularly in the Negril and the Black River. We also have partly cloudy skies across most of the north, including St. Anne's Bay, Ocho and Port Maria. Also for Port Antonio, we're expecting partly cloudy conditions. You can see an odd shower if you're in Golden Spring or in Grange Hill, Westmoreland, while we are expecting partly cloudy skies for Christiana as well as for Duncan's, for Cape Valley, Richmond and Moortown. Now, the next few days, expect partly cloudy skies to persist across the area in the afternoons on Saturday, Sunday and Monday. For the marine forecast, we do have a small craft warning that is in effect for inshore areas of the north coast. The winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 25 knots, while wave heights are between 1.5 and 2.5 meters. For the south coast, we also have a small craft warning in effect. Winds are east-northeasterly at 20 to 25 knots, while wave heights are between 2 and 2.5 meters. And for offshore areas, that small craft warning also extends. East-northeasterlies, 20 to 25 knots, wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. But for the outlook, we're expecting the winds to drop back to 20 knots on Saturday, Sunday, and next Monday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:48, at 5:51 in Mandeville, and at 5:54 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.